You ready? Hi guys, we're working on this 06 Tribeca. We're going to go ahead and replace this sun visor on this side. We made a video on the driver's side if you want to see it. Similar process to the passenger side, but maybe some people like to see it and do it. So here goes. This little plastic cover holds the bolts. Get a flathead or something like this. If you poke the headliner, you're gonna mess it up. So you want to be very careful just to get underneath it, behind it, and just give it a little bit of a push, and this will come out. And then there he goes. You got 2 screws here. We got one right here. We have one right here. And again, you got a little black button right here. You push and it will come out. 20 seconds, maybe. That's how I take it out. There's the little cap. The little cap right here. Go ahead and slide this over. Once you have this installed back in, you see it, give you a better view. So when you go ahead and, let's say this is installed in the car, what I was trying to explain to you guys, if you guys get this right in here, you can just go this way or that way, and it will pry the tip of this out, so you don't scratch anything. I'm sure you can probably get in here if you wanted to and pull it somehow, or get behind here and do it so you don't really see it. But many ways just to get around here. I found it to be the easiest to come around the top area and just push on it. And that's how I take the passenger sun visor out.